Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video we will discuss what is the bidding system in the GEM and how we can generate the bid for the particular product. So guys, there is a different 2-3 methods in the GEM for the placing the supply order of the product. So basically one of the method is direct purchase method. In this method we have to purchase the item, but there is some financial limitation is there, around 25 to 30,000 limitations of the financial. So that items we can give the directly supply order. The other method is basically to make the comparison and find out the L1 of the product. So if you find the L1, then subsequently we place the supply order of the product. The other method is known and is very popular method, that is create a bid of the product. So basically in this method we have to create a bid for this particular product. So in this after create a bid in the GEM portal, a lot of sellers is participate in this bid, and according to after the time frame we have to open that bid, and after award of the financial bid we have to get the L1 of the product actually, and subsequently we have to give the supply order to that L1 firm. So this is a very popular method. So in this video we will see how we can create the bid for the particular product. So we have to search first the product in the search bar on the GEM portal. Suppose I want to purchase one product, that is hot air oven, and I want to create a bid for this particular product. So I just search that product in the GEM portal. In the left side I see the various specifications. So when I click on the specification, I have two types of specification here. One is golden, the other one is silver specifications. So that you can exempt the silver specification, but it is mandatory, means it is very good to choose the golden parameters, golden specifications, because if you choose the golden specification, it is very easy to find out the product in the GEM portal. So I suggest that golden specifications you have to choose mandatory. Okay, so for this product hot air oven, I just choose all the required golden parameters, and then I have to do the continue. Here I can see all the specification of the product. Alright, in the view more I can see the other details. Okay, now I have clicked the buy options of the product, right? So here I can see all the specification of the product. Okay, now we have to click on the buy option of the product. After buy options, you see that again there is options for proceed. Okay, there is coming again 3 options. We require to choose the middle options, that is choose the selected product as the eligible values. If you click on that, then the open product parameters comes automatically here. Okay, you can verify also ki that's the same product which I want to purchase. So here I see that this is the same product and the specifications also match. So right side there is a scroll, I can up and down I check, and it is according to requirement I can be add or remove the specification of the product. Now I again proceed. Okay, then continue. Again I require to proceed that product. Okay, after proceed you have to the delivery locations we have to choose. Basically guys, this is the simple procedure which we follow in the Flipkart or Amazon's for the item purchase. So till now it is the same as well as of the online product whatever we purchase at the Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, so now we again to require to add cart. Here we can see the entire details of the product. You know what, proceed and check out. Where we can there is two options for that is bid or RA. Okay, RA we will cover in the separate video. Here we want to create a bid for this particular product, so we have to click on that bid option of the this particular product. We have to click the bid options. Okay, so after click of bid options, we have submit the further required details. So again it is hot air ovens. We click on that. Here see all that details. Here the other options, do you want to additional specification parameters? Okay, if you require go yes, otherwise you can no. Again it is continue. Okay, I check again all the information here all the delivery locations, address, quantity hereby visible, so you can confirm. Okay, if something technical specification you can upload here. All right, and again you have to click on the save button and go ahead. All right, so here we have to continue. After continue, we have see one actually form. That form is basically bid form. It is required some informations like bid durations, how much. So normally we put 21 days except some emergency bid, so we have to select 21 days. Okay, that is bid life cycle is coming by default. Okay, so we put as it is. Do you want to bid to RA post technical evaluation? It is required yes, otherwise you have to no. If you require technical evaluation, then you put mandatory yes. Okay, how much day for the clarification for the technical evaluations? All right, time to be allowed to the seller for technical evaluation, so we have to select 2 days. All right, and documents if required from the seller, we have to put okay yes. So that we have to again, then there is some other term and conditions. Okay, we put yes. Then other section is EMD or EPBG, that is earnest money deposit or e-performance bank guarantee. Here one thing's mentioned that if your item is value is more than 5 lakh, then PBG and this EMD is required actually, otherwise you can put no. Okay, now it is come to the splitting sections. Here you know what, different options, different certificate. Here you can require yes or no. So like I require certificate like ISO certificate, so that I require to add here. And the others, a lot of clarifications, parameters, certificate, whatever the requirement according to product, we have to click. Like scope of supply, here I click on that, and whatever I required, I add the comments on this particular section actually. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video and you know that how we can create the bid in the JAM portals. So please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, please put queries in the comment sections. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.